Okay guys, it's that time again. It is time to show you my Sips by Tea Discovery box. This is a monthly tea subscription box from the company Sips by. It is $15 per month with free shipping in the United States. And this is my August personalized tea box. These teas were chosen for me by the company based on all the preferences that I sent them on a questionnaire. They always send me teas that I like the taste of and also the caffeine mix that I specified. That way I never get any kind of surprises of teas that I don't like. They always put in the box an informational card listing all the teas that you will see in your box. So I'm going to flip this over. And there is a list of all the teas that I'll find in the box. It gives me temperatures to steep the tea, how long to steep the tea, and also gives me the ingredients. So let's take a peek and see what's in this box. My first tea I see, I have some rainbow lemonade tea from David's Tea. This is one of my caffeine-free teas in the box. And it looks like I can add some ice cubes to this tea after I make it and have some nice cool tea for the summer. The next tea I see is some delicious sugar cookie sweetheart tea from the company called Cookie Tea. That is another caffeine-free tea. Normally you can see all the ingredients that are in these teas, but my little card got wet, so the area that you would normally see the listing of the ingredients you cannot see right now, but you normally can see all the ingredients of each of the teas. Another tea that I have that contains some caffeine is this peach black tea, and that is from the company Stash Tea. You can make this hot or cold, which is great. So I can use it first thing in the morning when I like hot tea, or later in the day when it's really hot out and I like some refreshing cold tea. And finally, the last tea in the box is the Chinese breakfast tea from the company called Numi Teas, and that is one of my high caffeine teas. Let's crack open the box and take a look at all these teas, and then I will steep one of the teas on this video. Okay, here is my Sips by box, and the first tea I see on top is the Chinese breakfast tea from the company called Numi. This is an organic tea, and I have 1, 2, 3, 4 packets of that. Next, I see a package of Sips by reusable muslin cloth tea bags. These are great to include in the box, especially if you give one of these boxes as a gift and don't know whether or not someone has something to steep the loose tea in. That's included in the box. The next package I see is this large package of sugar cookie tea, and this is from the company Cookie Tea, and this is one of my loose teas, so I would use the muslin cloth tea bags with this particular tea. Next up in the box is this rainbow lemonade tea from David's Tea. I have 1, 2, 3, 4 packets of that. One of my caffeine teas is this peach black tea from Stash Teas. I have 1, 2, 3, 4 packets of that. Can you guess which tea I'm going to choose? It has to be this sugar cookie tea from the company called Cookie Tea. So I'm going to get started steeping this tea. That's it, guys, for this August Sips by Tea Discovery box. I will leave a link for Sips By's website down in my description box. This box offers me great variety of teas, and they're all personalized to my tea taste. Take care, guys. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye from Marla.